the monocle should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest guest. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
We're now en route to the Disneyland Resort main entrance plaza, gateway to Disneyland Park, Disney California Adventure Park, and the downtown Disney District. If you are here just for the day, a one-day park hopper ticket offers same-day admission to both Disneyland and Disney California Adventure. If you have more time to spend, multi-day tickets are an especially good value. Maximize your visit by downloading the official Disneyland app to purchase tickets, access park maps, view attraction wait times, and mobile order food for pickup. For extra convenience, try Disney Max Pass. With Disney Max Pass, you can make digital Disney Fast Pass selections right from your phone and get unlimited PhotoPass downloads. If you have brought your own food and beverages, please use the picnic area located just to the left of the Disneyland main entrance. If you plan to leave the park and return later today, please be sure to keep your ticket. Just ahead is the downtown Disney District with exciting shopping, dining, and live entertainment. Just beyond it is Disney's Grand Californian Hotel and Spa, inspired by the famed arts and crafts movement in California. We are now approaching the main entrance plaza. At the end of your visit, please return here to take the Mickey and Friends tram back to the parking area. The trams will continue running until 1 hour after the latest park closing time. Please remain seated with the doors closed until the tram comes to a full stop. Then gather your belongings, watch your step, and exit to the driver's left. Thanks for traveling with us today, and we hope you have a happy and memorable visit to the Disneyland Resort.
Once again, folks, please remain seated with the doors closed until this tram makes a full and complete stop, and I'm indicated it is safe there. To the driver's left-hand side, exit to the driver's left-hand side only, please.
Please do not attempt to board the tram while the tram is still in motion. Once again, please wait until the tram does come to a full and completed stop before boarding. Running welcome aboard the Pixar Pals and the Disneyland Tram service. Please lower your head and watch your step.
And driver, you are clear.
For your safety, remain seated with the doors closed, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while the tram is moving, and supervise your children.
Para su seguridad, favor de permanecer sentados con las puertas cerradas, manteniendo sus manos, brazos y
signal should fall. Please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member. Thank you.
Driver, you are clear.
If you will be returning to the park later today, please keep your ticket to re-enter. You'll be leaving the guest parking area and returning later today. Just show today's parking ticket to re-enter the parking area. You can enjoy magic all year round by upgrading your ticket to an annual pass via the official Disneyland app before the end of the day. As you travel through our resort, we'd like to remind you with Disney Max Pass, 14 miles per hour.
Disney Fast Pass.
We ask that you please observe this speed limit and yield the right of way to Disneyland vehicles, whether you're walking or driving.
For any guests parked in the Chippendale parking lot, we ask that you please use the crosswalk located to the right-hand side of the security checkpoint, as that is the only entrance to the Chippendale level. Thank you. Stop, I've indicated it is safe to exit to the driver's right-hand side and the driver's right-hand side only. Thank you.